Ayan guys, eto na, Brooklyn Bridge, City Hall. Ayan, ayan ang Brooklyn. Ito yung mga nagbebenta guys. Oh. Tourist spot tong ano, Brooklyn. Lalakihan yung mga ano, building. Oh. Ayan oh. Tapos onti ang tao ngayon. And it's a Sunday morning here in Brooklyn. Yan, ayun yung Brooklyn Bridge. Brooklyn Bridge. I like Chicago. Yeah. Starting road to Brooklyn Bridge. Ayan, itong kasama natin. Ang daming naglalakad guys. So. Daming naglalakad. Daming naglalakad. Daming naglalakad. Ayun, ayun yung Brooklyn Bridge. Hindi tayo pupunta guys. Lalakad na lang tayo. Tingnan natin kung ilang minutes yung lakaran.
Yung lakad? Tingnan natin naman yun. Maubusan ka. Ang pinaka-highlight.
Yan na guys, naglalakad na kami dito sa Brooklyn Bridge. Finally, after how many years? Ayan guys, finally we're here. Ayan na. Start na natin. Ayan, ito guys, kitang-kita na guys ang Brooklyn Bridge. Happy ang ganda guys, ang ganda. Ayan guys, nandito na tayo. Ito yung ano, flooring ng Brooklyn Bridge. And then, ito yung bridge. Ayan yung mga ano guys. Ito yun dun, may bridge dun sa kabila. Ayan o, bridge dun. Ito guys, Brooklyn Bridge was constructed in 1954. Ayan guys. Ayan yung history niya, rich history of Brooklyn Bridge.